basically, ito yung state of our desk. But I don't wanna wait for retirement to actually live the life that I want.
What is this?
Importante yung kape. Wait, sobrang excited ko kasi dumating na yung... Hello, good morning and welcome to another vlog, pero this time ibang format tayo. Try natin na mag-share with you guys ng stuff out of office or life out of office. So outside of our work, our content creator hat. So hindi lang siya hardcore travel stuff, pati mga behind the scenes. Kasi minsan magtatanong, oh, what camera do you use? Anong ini-edit mo? Paano ka nag-edit? Saan ka bumibili ng whatever? So lahat yon ilalagay natin dito sa series na to, and I'm calling it Life Out of Office. So if you're new here, again, hey, it's ENC, and I share not just travel tips but also more practical stuff for you to enjoy life in general. Self-reminder ko rin naman tong mga to, lahat ng sasabihin ko or share ko dito. And dahil usapang raw tayo, actually, pag tingnan nyo, itong itsura po ng desk natin. Today is a Monday, by the way. Ayan, dami nating kalat na kailangan ayusin. So I normally just use my laptop na ganyan, nakasara lang siya, and I have two monitors. So meron tayong main monitor dito, which is an Apple Studio display, tapos we have my ever favorite Arzopa portable monitor na minount ko vertically para pag nag-edit ako. And yan, the usual kalat. Actually, itong left side of my desk is always chaotic. So nagiging catch-all siya yan. Pagkatapos ng araw, patong ng wallet, and kung ano-ano dyan, naku, yan talaga. Medyo makalat talaga yung part na yan. Pero basically, ito yung state of our desk usually. So by the way, yung mga nabigyan ko ng sticker, ayan, meron ako laging dala guys na sticker. Hindi na ako, lumilipas ang araw or yung labas ko na wala akong dalang a few pieces. Para just in case may ma-meet tayo, meron tayong mabibigay na something for them. Also, ay bawal ko i-share yung details, pero ayan, meron tayong nakuhang mga SM gift pass. Ayan, SM gift pass. Because, nakakuha tayo ng rewards from my credit card. So, nakakuha tayo ng, kan ba yun? 5,000 din from, my BPI credit card. So, nakaabot ako ng minimum spend finally. Tapos technically pwede ko siya ipalit to mga Lazada, ganyan, pero isip ko sige na nga GC na lang. So ito, SM gift pass. Hindi ko pa alam saan ko gagamitin. Pwede daw to sa Uniqlo. So tingnan natin kung anong mabibili ko dun.
Hello. Hello, Mama. Hello, Mama. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, everyone. What is this?
Can you kiss Mama?
So typically, I start my day after, breakfast. Kasi minsan, pagising ko pa lang actually, parang meron akong gustong gawin and parang hindi ako makapag-antay to actually start. I guess, ito yung type of work na I would say na very excited ako to really work on. Lots of things to do, but it doesn't mean na parang na-anxious ako to do it or like I feel like I'm drowning sa work. Hindi ganun. Since my decision last year to actually let go of my corporate career, it has been very different. The weeks have been very different. The types of work have been very different. Now, I'm excited to wake up because I'm excited to work, because I'm excited with what I'm about to do. I feel like the work that I do today is more purpose-driven, more than the past years of my career. Not to say na hindi ko gusto yung past years. In fact, lahat yata ng nagagawa ko ngayon or ina-apply ko ngayon, lahat yun natutunan ko from my corporate stint. I feel like it gave me the structure, may value talaga, yung more than 10 years na yun. Kasi ngayon, that I'm on my own as a business owner and as a consultant and as a content creator, all-in-one na. Lahat yun, nagagamit ko today. More than a year na since I left my corporate job back in January 2025. Marami na ako natutunan and marami na akong pwedeng makwento. How life really transformed when I finally chose the path that I want. Because before, I thought these things that that I'm doing today, I can only do after 40, after 50. Some would say even after 60. But I don't want to wait for retirement to actually live the life that I want, build the life that I want, and, you know, just wake up every day happy to do the things that I need to do. And I get to do, actually. So, typical work day natin talaga is nagsa-start tayo early. And minsan kasi hindi talaga ako makatulog. So, meron akong list of things to do the following day or the next morning. For some reason, lahat ng ideas na I feel like magagandang ideas happen at night. So, pagka tulog na yung son ko, bangon ako, tapos I usually stay on my desk and then just either watch content, think of content, review my past content, etc. Tapos I always have post-its and pen or my notebook, pwede din. Tapos naglilista ako ng mga stuff na gagawin ko the following day. In a way, it kind of offloads yung mental load from my brain to the paper. Parang there's a certain feeling of security na hindi, nalista ko na yan. So, hindi ko na muna iisipin. So, that gives me parang comfort at night, and at the same time, parang mas nakakatulog ako agad. Dati kasi, iniiwan ko yung mga things to do and ideas ko all in my head. So, ang ending, hindi ako makatulog. Parang napupuyat talaga ako, and it's not really healthy kasi I have low energy in the morning, which honestly, yun naman yung time ko to shoot and really edit and stuff. So, ginagawa ko, nilista ko na lang. We're going out naman ngayon. Typically, we stay home kapag kailangan natin mag-edit and stuff. Pero minsan, occasionally, I also wanna go out para medyo maiba yung scenery, change and scenery lang. Kahit dito lang, mga mall, ganyan, cafe. Minsan masarap din kasi mag-work sa cafe kasi pag gusto medyo creative yung isipin mo or may kailangan kang gawin na medyo mas creative project. Today kasi may kailangan akong gawin, which is for a project that I'm working on. And makikita nyo to soon. So hopefully, something exciting for you as well. So tara, let's go. Drive muna tayo. Bawal ko kayo isama kapag nagda-drive. Mapapagalitan tayo at technically illegal. Sakto na siya. Apple. Thank you. Ito, masarap to. Okonomiyaki fries nila, masarap. Ito, truffle egg sandwich. And yung mga pasta, udon carbonara, okay yan. And ikora udon, crab ikora udon, yummy din. Ordering ko. Sa kape, yung white kisa latte or shoyu caramel. Isang pork katsu donburi.
Pork katsu.
Thank you.
May allergies ko wala. Every time we step.
Brown out? Brown out sa mall. Ano nangyari? Thank you. Madi-delay. Basta yung kape mo na. Okay na. Sige. Importante yung kape. Hindi ba rin ma-delay yung food? Wag lang yung kape ko. Kasi kapeng-kape na ako kanina. Okay lang yung food. Thank you. Priorities. Magkakape muna ako. So, ito yung type of Monday na gusto ko kasi wala. I can work wherever I want. Tapos, technically, pwede ako sa coffee shop. I can do errands in between without answering to somebody. I only answer to myself. Pero, syempre, that also entails discipline kasi like ngayon, pwedeng gumala na lang ako tapos hindi na ako magtrabaho. Pero that's on me. Wala akong ibang pwedeng sisihin. Wala akong ibang pwedeng sabihan na may dependency, ganyan. Kasi ako yung only dependency. I think may discipline na talagang meron akong personal deliverables every day. Depende dun sa mga priority projects. Or if I can't do a daily, kunyari, daily short video, I make sure na nagbabangko ako ng baon ng mga scheduled video. Like today, hindi ako mag-edit kasi meron akong kailangan gawin na website for one of my projects that, yun nga, I'll be launching soon. Chop na rin to. Kaya na tayo. magla-lunch ako dito, 'di ba? Tapos mag-work nga ako. Tapos I just got a message from one of the brands na naka-work ko na before. And actually nakailan na rin sila na projects with me. Or ako na projects with them. Tapos I just got a message na nag-confirm na for another project this week lang. So mabilisan siya. And I think ang gusto ko dito sa client na to or sa brand na to, ang bilis nila mag-approve ng script, ng video. Ang bilis din nilang magbayad, as in. Shout out sa brand nyo. Alam nyo na kung sino kayo. Pero sobrang bilis. Very rare yun. So, thankful to have worked with this brand. And thankful na tuloy-tuloy yung projects natin with them. So, sana more to come. Considering nag-adjust kasi ako ng rates for my videos. So, medyo nag-price increase tayo because our videos are really performing better versus the old rates pa. So, I feel like it's fair. And yun, kinuha pa rin nila yung adjusted rate ko. I think they're really happy with the past performance. Yun talaga, kapag gusto mo yung ginagawa mo, parang lalabas talaga siya sa output. And sometimes, minsan nga, parang kailangan mo lang din ng break kapag medyo nafe-feel mong yung pagod, burnout, ganyan. So you just have to go out and take a quick, walk, quick coffee out and stuff. And sometimes after that, good things happen. Good morning. It's another day and holiday today kaya makakagala na naman tayo. So we're going to BGC. Samahan niyo din ako kasi magpapa-haircut ako today. And siguro haircut and down perm kasi actually yung buhok ko kasi pag hindi yan din na down perm mukha akong mushroom. So sumasabog siya ng ganyan. So tingnan natin baka mag down perm na lang din ako. What's that?
Okay, you can play na. No, it's okay na. Look, it's working na.
Ay, tapat mo lang, babe.
On top of the brain.
Lang. Wait, sobrang excited ko kasi dumating na yung samples para dun sa isang project na work on natin. Hindi ko pa ito pwede share sa inyo today in this video, pero more or less alam nyo naman na siguro ano to, but I think nabigay ko to as a teaser nung nasa isang TikTok live ako, but I've been working on this since September last year. In fact, medyo na-post ko na about it, so sobrang excitement ko. Pero I had to take a break and take a pause kasi, well, maraming kailangan gawin na iba. So I had to pause and find the right partners, suppliers, and everything before I actually launch it. Pero soon, really soon. And hindi ko alam if it's gonna work. But ang mantra ko kasi this year talaga is fortune favors the bold. And kung meron kang gustong gawin, just do it. Just experiment. Kasi you wouldn't know if you wouldn't try. So, I am trying. And hopefully it works. Hindi pa ako pwede mag-share ng details. Kahit gigil na ako to share it with you guys. But so that's it. And hopefully magustuhan nyo pag finally nilabas na natin. So that's it for our first episode of Life Out of Office. And if you guys are interested in this type of format, let me know in the comments kung meron kayong mga suggestion how to improve this series. So that's it for now. See you guys again in the next episode.